Welcome to another video in our Auto BIM Route plugin explanation series. In this video, we'll explore a powerful and incredibly helpful feature, the Preferred Area tool. This feature gives you full control over how conduit paths are generated, allowing you to guide routes through preferred zones or steer them away from no-go areas. The process is straightforward and easy to apply. Let's begin by uploading our feeder schedule. We'll use an Excel sheet with some predefined runs. Once uploaded, we click OK, and the paths are displayed on the canvas. Next, we select the routes we want to adjust. To activate the preferred area mode, simply click its icon from the toolbar. Now, navigate to the area you want your routes to pass through, then draw a box by left-clicking and dragging to set the area's dimensions. If you're not happy with a box you've created, just right-click on it. This will remove the box, and your routes will revert to their original paths. We'll now add a few more preferred areas to demonstrate how easily you can control routing with just a few clicks. You can create as many areas as needed to fine-tune the layout. This level of control makes it easy to meet both design intent and practical site requirements. Notice how the path instantly adjusts to follow the defined region. This gives us the flexibility to guide conduit placement through specific corridors, ceiling spaces, or technical zones. Once you're satisfied with the adjusted paths, click Generate Routes. The AI will follow your custom guidance and transform the 2D layout into optimized, clash-free 3D routes, all within seconds. Now let's click Visualize in 3D to see the final result. As you can see, the updated paths were applied exactly as specified, and the output is fully clash-free. And that's how to use the Preferred Area feature in Auto BIM Route, a simple yet powerful way to guide your designs with precision.